What's going on, guys? This is Trayman 1993. Today I'm going to be showing you a complete restoration engine of my Bachmann Santa Fe u36b. Well, what I did here, though, I got some new parts for it. So, yeah, got a new shell for it from the Bachmann Trains website, as well as a new truck cover and some light bulbs inside, though. Has the same thing as the other one, but the other old shell was broken off, though, so this was a replacement. Yeah, I did a little bit of still dirty, though, but other than that, it does run pretty good, so, and it lights up, so let's give it a run by of it. Yeah, it was a little kind of stiff earlier, though. I think it needs some wheel cleaning, or maybe it just needs a little bit of work, though. Yeah. Sounds like it does, but it runs pretty nice. Well, folks, so this is my complete restoration of my Bachmann Santa Fe GE u36b. I hope you guys enjoy this vid. Take care and have a great weekend, everybody. This is Trayman 1993 signing out.